Why do 90% of security managers record surveillance like it's still 1984? Could it be those sky-high storage costs? We spend big bucks on top-of-the-line cameras, yet we're squinting at screens trying to make out if that's a cat or a burglar. Why? Because storing high-quality video costs an arm and a leg, that's why. And don't get me started on that shifty record on motion feature. More like miss all the action, am I right? But hold up, don't throw your monitors out the window just yet. There's a hero in town, and its name is Marsha. With Cozaint's Marsha video routing platform, you can say goodbye to pitiful pixels and hello to crisp, clear video. This ain't just about looking pretty, it's about catching the bad guys without breaking the bank on storage. Marsha lets you record at full throttle, full resolution. And playback? Smooth as your morning espresso. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Check out cozaint.com/Marsha. Step up your surveillance game and let Marsha handle the heavy lifting.